Hey there, crypto family. Welcome back to another video. We're bringing us daily crypto news. Got the gardeners in the background, so hopefully you can't hear them as I report this article. So 75% of Bitcoin wallets are in profit despite bearish market. Glassnode data shows that 75% of Bitcoin wallets are in profit compared to only 50% during the 2018 bear market. So interesting. So available data from Glassnode shows that around 75% of wallets holding Bitcoin are in profit despite the value of the flagship asset falling a long way from its all-time high to below the 40,000 mark recently. Bitcoin wallets are in profit according to the report. There are currently more wallets in profit when compared to 2018 bear market. Only 50% of the wallets were in profit then. You can see that the current bear market is not as severe as the worst phases of all prior cycles, but just 25% to 30% of the market being at an unrealized loss. So that's still not so bad. The analysis also shows that about 60% of transaction volumes is in the profit domination. This is the first time it has detected the statistic at such robust levels since December 2021. This high profit dominance could be a sign of shifting sentiment. It also shows that long-term investors are the most likely to make profit in this market. In this case, long-term Bitcoin holders have held the coin for at least 155 days. Of this group, more than 67.5% have unrealized profits, but only 7.88% of short-term holders who have held for less than 155 days have seen any gains. Despite this, demand for the asset is currently low, and investors are profiting from any market strength that exists. Since mid-February, the average daily profit that has been around 13,300 Bitcoin, while daily losses have reduced from 20,000 Bitcoin in January to approximately 8,300 Bitcoin last week. Now, transaction volumes have dropped to lows similar to 2018-2019 bear market. The Bitcoin network is processing about 225,000 transactions daily, representing low excitement levels. Now, competition remains fierce among miners. Glassnode data also revealed that competition amongst Bitcoin miners has reached a new high. Despite declining transaction fees, the data analytics firm wrote that the mining difficulty for each Bitcoin block would require 122.78 Zeta hashes to solve, which is the same as all 7.938 billion people on Earth, each guessing a SHA-256 hash with 15.5 trillion times every 10 minutes to solve each Bitcoin block. It is also noted that Bitcoin mining activities have recovered from China's ban. The current hash rate is around 20% higher than when the Asian country kicked out miners from its jurisdiction. However, it is also concluded that miners' revenues keep climbing, Glassnode said. Miners earn roughly $207,000 per exahash they apply to the network. This is also 40% more revenue than during the final capitulation event of the 2018 bear market. So interesting. So yeah, miners are still making money. People who held onto their Bitcoin for the long run are still in profit. So it just shows you that this is a hodl game. This isn't a get rich quick scheme. So if you bought at the top expecting, oh, it's going to keep going up, and then now you're dealing with a crash, then you're dealing with it. But if you are more focused on the dollar cost average of everything, where you buy as low as you can, but you're just continually acquiring it as money you can, because again, price doesn't matter. I try to get that by through so many heads, but they just don't, it doesn't click for them. But it's, the only thing that truly matters is how much of the Bitcoin you got and are you in control of it. Those are the only two things that you need to be worried about. So you're not keeping them on an exchange like Coinbase, Bitrue, Kraken. You have your own non-custodial wallet that comes with the private keys and seed phrases for you to be in full control of them. And then second is just dollar cost averaging. Buy low, buy low and just keep acquiring. There's really nothing else to it, and just don't sell. Hold on to it. If you want to take some profits off of it, do it the right way. Take a loan out on the cryptocurrency so that way it avoids a taxable event and you get to keep the asset in the long run. So you get your fiat cash, whatever you need for it, and then you just pay it off later. But yeah, this number is really good. 75% of Bitcoin wallets are in profit despite bearish markets. So keep hodling, people. Keep doing what you're doing. You're doing it correct. Hopefully we'll see a lot more people in this percentage range as well, as long as you just understand to buy it and hodl it. This is a long-term game, not a short-term. So if you like this article, hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel so you do not miss a beat, and until next time, the Crypto Sherpa is out.